sky go gray at noon. Your laugh still lit the whole room. We held our breath beneath the storm, while thunder rode its ragged form. You said the dark won't stay too long, but even then you sounded strong. I watched the world turn cold and wild. You stood there like a hopeful child, smiling through God's rain. Let it fall, let it come, let it bruise the pavement. We keep dancing in the pain, with a heart that won't quit and a soul that's sacred. If the clouds break again, we'll be standing here hand in hand, smiling through God's rain. Your tears ran silver down your face, like street lights in a lonely place. I pulled you close, you pulled me back. Two soft hearts on a weathered track. No, we don't need a perfect day to make this love feel worth the wait. We found a fire in the cold, a quiet truth we both can hold, smiling through God's rain. Let it fall, let it come, let it bruise the pavement. We keep dancing in the pain, with a heart that won't quit and a soul that's sacred. If the clouds break again, we'll be standing here hand in hand, smiling through God's rain. And if the night leans in too close, we'll be the light nobody knows. One prayer, one spark, one steady flame, one love that knows the storm by name, smiling through God's rain. Let it roll, let it pour, we're not running away now. Oh, every scar, every stain turns to gold in the sunrise breaking down. Clouds break again, we'll be standing here hand in hand, smiling through God's rain.